Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make avocado shrimp with infused chili mayo. It's gonna be a little fancy than normal I make. It's gonna be a little 2.0 presentation. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, first I'm gonna make some shrimp salad. So I'm gonna chop up some vegetable for that. I'm gonna take a piece of red pepper. I'm gonna finely dice it up. And the red onion. Let's take a piece of red onion. This is about 2 tablespoons worth of vegetable each kind. And also green pepper. Everything I'm chopping up finely. And some green onion. A little bit of dill, fresh dill, give nice flavor to the shrimp, especially seafood. All the seafood pretty much tastes better with the dill, fresh dill. Make a difference in the flavor. And finally, the baby shrimp. So I have around 200 grams of baby shrimp, so I'm going to I boiled it earlier. I'm going to link the video for poaching the shrimp the right way. So I'm dicing up all the shrimp. Add it to the vegetable. So everything is ready, so I'm gonna marinate. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of regular mayo and teaspoon of sweet chili sauce. Some salt, some pepper, good amount of pepper, and mix everything nicely. It has to be smooth, nice, not so watery, so make sure not so much liquid to it. And finally, touch of lemon juice, or you can use a lime juice also, either work very good. shrimp salad is ready. Now I'm gonna make my presentation. So now I'm gonna cut the avocado into half. Make sure it's ripe, nice avocado. And just twist it. And I'm gonna take out the, see how nice is this? I'm gonna take out the pit and remove the skin first. I'm trying to keep a whole. I'm planning to use half of it whole, so that's why I'm very careful to keep not the damage the avocado, keep the shape. So now I'm gonna fill the avocado with this shrimp salad. Nice amount of shrimp. So I'm going to start my presentation. I'm going to put avocado in the middle. And I have a chili infused mayo. And also the balsamic reduction. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing. 2.0 presentation, look amazing. Please do try this recipe on your special occasions. It's pretty simple, easy to make, and a little effort. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone.